Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Asko CBB761 or 861s hood range, stovetop range, and you need to change the batteries on your remote. Or you might be here because the remote is not working or not connecting and you've tried pairing it, it's not working. One of the things that can happen is if the batteries are even weak, then things won't work right. If the voltage is not right, then the signal won't get sent to the stove. So the first troubleshooting step is just to change the batteries in this remote. It's very easy to do. You just need two AAA batteries. If you don't have AAA batteries, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them for cheap with free shipping. But anyways, so you just open the cover on the back and take out the old batteries and put in the new AAA batteries. Just make sure you get the plus where the plus goes and the minus where the minus goes. And then turn it back on, and you may need to go through the manual pairing process again. And if you need to pair it again, I'll put a link in the description to how to pair this remote to your stove hood. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.